Attention employees, a blue tentacle was just found in the employee break room. If you have lost a blue tentacle, please call Lost and Found.
And the Child Detection Agency is now the Comedy Detection Agency. Not sure something is funny? Call the CDA hotline and we'll be there in a flash. We know comedy is hard, so now the CDA is here to help, ready to drop in on a moment's notice to scientifically find and evaluate humor.
3.7 gigawatts, 2.3 gigawatts.
Agents are available day and night.
Really quick right now.
The future of energy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA. We take comedy seriously.